What is the difference between is none and equals none? I recently came across this syntax. I am unaware of the difference. I would appreciate it if someone could tell me the difference.
The answer is explained here. To quote, "A class is free to implement comparison any way it chooses, and it can choose to make comparison against none mean something, which actually makes sense. If someone told you to implement the none object from scratch, how else would you get it to compare true against itself? Practically speaking, there is not much difference since custom comparison operators are rare. But you should use is none as a general rule."
In this case, they are the same. None is a singleton object. There only ever exists one none. Is checks to see if the object is the same object, while equals just checks if they are equivalent. For example. But since there is only one none, they will always be the same, and is will return true.
It depends on what you are comparing to none. Some classes have custom comparison methods that treat equals none differently from is none. In particular, the output of a equals none does not even have to be Boolean, a frequent cause of bugs. For a specific example, take a NumPy array where the equals comparison is implemented element-wise.